Welcome to Fit2Death. Everyone's gonna die one day, so why not make the most of the life that you've been given in this dreadful world? I hope you guys are ready to see what it takes to achieve a better and healthier lifestyle. I'm Jack, and on this channel, I'm gonna tell you what you need to hear to change and become a better person. This content is made for people who are not interested in sitting on their ass all day and are constantly striving to be better in every aspect and reach that top 1%. From a huge variety of workouts and foods to overall good lifestyle habits, as long as you're willing to put in the work, this stuff could change your life. The goal of this channel is to provide the community with health and fitness advice. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or you've been doing this kind of stuff for years already, I guarantee there's something that you'll find useful. Introducing new healthy habits into your life has a strong possibility to unlock your true potential as a person. And what people don't realize is that each day is a new opportunity to be better than the last one. So get ready to embark on an incredible journey towards a healthier lifestyle.